Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because I wanted to share one of my favorite teas with you. So for all of my tea lovers out there, listen up. I've been absolutely loving my teas from Total Tea. They are a company that sells natural organic teas that not only taste amazing, but they make you feel amazing as well, which is a total bonus for me. The tea that I am drinking this morning is their Pure Boost Energy Tea, and it is naturally packed with caffeine and antioxidants for a mental focus and an energy boost, and it has a delicious flavor of mixed berry and pomegranate, so it's super tasty. To make my tea, I take the tea bag and I put it in my teacup before I pour the water, just something that I like to do. You don't have to use a teacup. You can use a mug if you don't have a teacup, or just whichever you prefer. And also, if you're going to add any sugar cubes, do that before you pour the water as well. Then you're going to add your steaming hot water into the teacup. I'm leaving a little bit of room because I'm actually going to add milk for the first time in just a few minutes. And then I just kind of stir it up, mix it up a little bit, and then I let it sit and cool down for a little bit because, like I said, it is steaming hot. While we're letting it sit for a minute, I just wanted to say really quick that their teas are totally affordable and range from $8 to $13. Or if you're a regular tea drinker like me, you can totally subscribe for a 20% off each order, which is awesome. And I just love that their teas are a great way to naturally contribute to your good health. So if you're looking for like a good detox or body cleanser, if you're trying to lose some weight, if you have low energy during the day, if you just need time to relax and you're having a hard time relaxing, you should try out some of these herbal teas because they help with the challenges and stresses that you face every day, and it is helpful to have a reliable resource that is consistently dependable. That's why I love Total Tea, because it not only tastes amazing, but I know that with each cup of tea, I'm naturally contributing to my overall health. And rant over. So next, I'm taking my tea bag out of the tea. I wanted to take it out before I pour the milk. So I don't know why, I just don't want it in there. So when I'm pouring the milk, I just pour a little bit in, not too much, just enough to make it cloudy. And then I'm just gonna stir it and mix it well, and then give it a minute before I drink it. Now to taste it. So yes, I have tried these teas before. Yes, I already know that I love them, but I was a little bit nervous trying it with the milk, but I was actually really surprised with how much I loved it. Like, you can see I'm not even putting the teacup back because I just kept sipping it because it was super good. Like, I am definitely going to be trying to put milk in my teas more regularly because it was delicious. You can check out their products and find your perfect tea on their website. It's www.totaltea.com. I'll put it right up here in words, and then I'll link it down below for you in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys loved the video, and happy tea drinking.